Activating a virtual Visa debit card from RBC is a straightforward process. Today, I'll demonstrate how to do it. Firstly, ensure you have the RBC mobile app downloaded on your device. If not, download it from the App Store. Next, sign into the app using your client card number and password. Once logged in, navigate to your primary checking account. Look for the Manage Card or Card section within the app's interface. Here you should find an option to activate your virtual Visa debit card or view its details. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. If you've requested a physical copy of your virtual debit card by contacting RBC or visiting a branch, the activation process may differ. This physical card contains essential information such as the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Contact RBC customer support via phone or visit a branch. You'll likely need to provide your client card number, the virtual debit card number from your reference card, and any other details requested by the representative. The RBC representative will guide you through the specific activation process for physical virtual debit cards.